Hello esteemed viewers, welcome to our video tutorial for today. In our math tutorial today, we are going to look at this math Olympiad question. We are asked to solve in just 1 minute. Can that be possible? Of course, I'm going to show you two methods you can use in solving this equation. It says if a to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x is equal to 0, find the value of x. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. And remember, press the bell icon so that you can get content of our Maths Olympiad solutions once they are uploaded. For the first part, I'm going to show you how to solve this method using the factor method. We are going to see how we factorize this and then see how we factor it out with this solution and then come out with our final solution. And then the next method, we are going to see how we will also simplify this in order to find a solution. Now let's look at the first solution. In the first solution, we are going to find the factor of 8, and 8 is 4 multiplied by 2 all to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x equal to 0. Now, according to indices, this power is for these two values. So this will be 4 to the power of x multiplied by 2 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x. Both will be equal to 0. Now, treating this factor as a whole, if we treat that factor as a whole, we'll come to see that 4 is common. 4 to the power of x is common. So if we bring out 4 to the power of x, what will remain here is 2 to the power of x minus, and what will remain here is 1. This will be equal to 0. So we've gotten two factors now which are equal to 0. 4 to the power of x will be equal to 0, and 2 to the power of x minus 1 will be equal to 0. So we are going to leave this equation because it is undefined. The solution is equal to 0. So if 2 to the power of x will be equal to 1 if 1 goes this way, so the solution to that value, will find out that for this one, remember a law of indices. Everything raised to power 0 is equal to 1. If we have 1000 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So we can use our 2x equal to 2 to the power of 0. Since we have same base, the power will equate. So x will be equal to what? 0. So the solution to that exponential equation, x, will be equal to 0. Now that is the first part. That's the first solution using the first method. Now let me introduce you to another method that you can use to solve this equation in the most easier part. So if we are given 8 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x, and we say it's equal to 0, we're asked to find x equal to 0. All we need to do is to simplify these two. This 8 will be equal to 2 to the power of 3. And because we have another exponent there, it will multiply it. This will be minus. This other one will be 2 to the power of 2. Since we have another exponent, it will multiply by x, and both will be equal to what? 0. So what we'll do is we'll take this to this other side. Then we'll have 2 to the power of 3 to the power of x equal to 3 multiplied by x is equal to 2 to the power of 2 what? 2x. So since we have the same base, what will happen is the power will equate. So this will be 3x minus 2x. Now 3x minus 2x, what will it give us? 3x minus 2x. Remember, this will be equal to 0 according to that equation. So we'll come to see that if 3x minus 2x is equal to 0, 3x minus 2x will remain what? X. So we'll finally see that our x is equal to 0. So this is what? This is the value of x equal to 0. Now let's find out how true this solution is. Remember, we are given a to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x. We said it must give us 0. So now let's make our x to be equal to 0 to find out if this solution we get satisfy the exponential equation. So we'll have 8 to the power of 0 minus 4 to the power of 0. 8 to the power of 0 is 1 minus 1, that will be equal to 0. Remember the rule, anything raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So 1 minus 1 will give us 0. So that means our solution x equal to 0 we get for the two method used satisfies this exponential equation. Thanks so much for watching, and do share this video with your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel in order to get more simplified Maths Olympiad solutions. Thank you.